The magic window is awesome, but if you want to supercharge it and build amazing classroom norms, bonus points is where it's at. Bonus points are accumulated in the magic window and they can be cashed in for extra chances in the Interest Igniter Challenge. So, where did this come from? When I started using Interest Igniters and I started asking kids to share their thinking during that magic window, that thinking was a little all over the place. A lot of students just really wanted to share the answer. And what I realized is that I could offer bonus points to build the norms that I wanted to see in my classroom. Let me share a few. I started with participation. Like every new person that shares something is a bonus point. But then I realized I could use it to encourage other things, and I started using them to increase the thinking in my classroom. Like every new strategy is a bonus point. Or if someone can bridge the gap between what one student shares and the understanding of the rest of the class, bonus point. I use them to normalize mistakes. Can someone share something that they tried but it didn't work? I use them to increase the amount of math vocabulary students are using, bonus point. And I use them to build appreciation. I asked the students, whose thinking impressed you today? But then I realized that I could use them to build norms I wanted to see while kids are working, like encouraging their peers, complimenting each other, and visual signs of collaboration. Bonus point, bonus point, bonus point. So the class is accumulating all these bonus points during the magic window. The key is don't tell them what the bonus points are worth so that you as the teacher can offer a reasonable amount of extra chances in the Interest Igniter Challenge. For example, with the bonus points above, I could offer an extra chance for every 2 bonus points or for every 5. I'm just looking to offer them a reasonable number of chances in the challenge that keeps their interest while limiting the number of chances to what I have class time for. Another use of bonus points that I have found that I really like is when I way overshot the mark on that problem I decided to hand out. Because I like to use these to ignite interest around rigorous problems in my classroom, I have used bonus points to save my butt when that problem was way too hard. It's that kind of problem where I'm walking around and no one or almost no one is on the right track. And so that makes for a really hard strategy share. I've used these then to entice the kids to share their thinking even when they aren't on the right track. And I let them know, hey, we need bonus points here because this problem was a little ridiculous. So let me share with you a few ideas on how I do that. I'll ask things like, is anyone courageous enough to tell us where they got stuck? Bonus point. Did anyone else get stuck there? Bonus point. What questions could you ask about this problem that might help you get unstuck? Bonus point. Are there any words in this problem that someone might stumble on? Bonus point. Does this problem remind you of any other types of math that you've done in the past? Bonus point. Or you could ask things that are more specific to the problem that's right in front of the kids. Like, if you were going to make a ratio table to begin with for this problem, what labels might work? Bonus point. Or if you were going to write an equation, what's one number or symbol that might be in it? Bonus point. Once again, don't reveal what the points are worth until you're ready to tell the class how many chances they have in the challenge. Whether you're using bonus points to build norms or as a lifeboat because you way overshot the mark on that problem, they are an amazing way to get kids to share and stay fully engaged.